hold on your hand very good. You just need to put tape on the skin, the Swiss lace area. Then it will, this area you can use tips or glue. Then it can hold on your hand very good. You can see this is a vacuum wig. It also can for used for medical using. You see, this is a vacuum wig. The hairline is Swiss lace, very invisible. We also have a microline wigs. For like this wig, there is Swiss lace on the hairline. The rest are made by fishnet. It's very strong. The nets are the safe net are very strong. The density is very heavy too. This is a beautiful wig and very long hair. Sorry, I should. Very heavy density. You see the hairline is very invisible. The density is so heavy. Very long hair. You can see that the density is so heavy, and this is made by fishnet. Very comfortable when you wear it, and very strong. This one is super good. We only have one. You can see the color. This is about color 2. This is color 2. You can see the temple area is very visible. The hairline, sorry. The hairline is invisible too. We only have one piece in stock, so if anyone like it, we can give you a very low price. We just want to sold out because we only have one piece in stock. The quality is very good. You can see the hair, very full, very heavy. So much hairs. This is a very good wig. The wig is very good. Very full. Thank you everyone. We will finish today's show. In our show, we usually show our wigs and systems. But if you interested in other products, please let me know. I will show you all of our systems. We have all kinds of wigs and systems in stock. We can also make custom order. Any question you can ask me. We will get, and you can tell us what's your requirement. Then we'll find your right wigs. I hope everyone find their suitable wigs. and get a better looking. Thank you for watching.